Welcome to Ministry of Sound's newest fitness workout, Pump It Up Power Mix.
Just to make sure I can do it any way that you want it.
Okay, you ready for the warm-up? Let's have some fun.
I can do it any way that you want.
Ripple with a tap to forward, to back. Again.
Time after time, I told myself I've got nothing to lose. Time after time, I check myself just to make sure.
Good. This is going forward into the lunges. In 4, 3, 2, 1, and lunge.
I can do it any way
Good.
you want it. Can do it, baby.
Keep this going, other side. Forward for 2, and back for 2. Into the rolls. Woo! Good, making sure you're breathing. The music's coming down, but we're not yet.
Time after time, I told myself I've got nothing to lose. Time after time, I told myself just to make sure.
You're doing a great job. Let's keep this moving. Let's dance this out into the Beyonce bounce. Taking those arms up. Shakira rolling it out. Into the hill digs. This side. The music's going up, so we're going to take our energy up. Back with a hop. Into the disco move.
Let's get it on. I can do it any way that
Up for 2, and down for 2. Shoulders rolling towards the hips, breathing out on the way up. Twist, lift, and lower. Stretch the side as we breathe out. Well done, you completed our abs section. See you next time.
you want it.